What's going on? What's going on? Thank you guys for tuning in. Today I have an update on my DJI drone repair, my Mini 3 Pro. If you have been following, I've been in the process of getting this drone repaired. I've had to take a couple steps to getting it repaired, and I didn't know which way it was gonna go. But I have great news. I have received the drone in the mail today. Boom. Got it back. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is how it's back. Alright, they told me that they were going to send me a replacement drone. Now, I don't know if a replacement drone means a new drone or a refurbished drone, but it's new to me. I got to give them a great review for, taking ownership over their product. I got my RC here. I also have 3 batteries. Everything worked out. My drone dilemma has been taken care of. We are back in action. We got the drone back, but let's make sure that, all the malfunctions are cleared. There's no issues with this one, and, it has a safe flight. All right. Thank you for tuning in, and peace.